Come to find out,
Yo, that's classic.
them faker than blood clot, Chinese blood clot knockoff. Ayo, common sense ain't common. Sit down in the blood clot house of commons. Trafalgar Square, nowhere. Them people round there, them don't care about the people in poverty. Low class citizens, that's all they see. Witness the terrorized, witness the blood that splash, witness the life I lose. Only for life I lost. Dangerous where I come from, dangerous where I sleep. Watch the words that you speak, gunshot tear out your beak. I know it's not pretty where I'm from, but it's my home. My home, champagne in the sunshine, only but with a bun.
Yo, that's classic.
Life ain't easy, but we're living it. Big up for the ones, them that's privileged. Papi never grow me, mommy was a couch potato. Oh no, they say I'm dangerous with my mouth, cause I talk the real talk, me no beat bush sleeveless. Them talk and them I go around. I'm just saying, please don't kill the witness. Me say please don't kill the messenger. Me say please don't kill the witness. Me say please don't kill the messenger. I'm just saying the life I live is dangerous. Dangerous life we a live round here, you know. Only for helicopter overhead, so only for chop on me here in the air. Gunshot a tear, out your blood
Yo,
clot
that's
skin.
classic.
Yo, big up for the real one them. The only real one them are gonna survive through this blood clot struggle and turmoil. Me have to laugh, but me not laugh cause it's funny, but laugh cause it's sad.